Alright then, YouTube. Bit of a ride-along video. We are in the Leylands Mastiff, like a dog. I have to go backwards onto the flat ground behind me so that the seatbelt will come undone. Beautiful air brakes, they're so strong. Haven't touched the throttle yet. That's her there. We'll wait till we roll out down the road. Try and get you a better one of these with the GoPro. Some stage, it's just wet and horrible out there, so a bit hard to do. Headlights on so people can see me. Tow yard. People are starting to know the machine already. So we're in 4th gear high diff at the moment. On up to the fuel station to get some juice. Let's give her a drink.